Hello dear kids, Namaskar. How are you everyone? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So now, what we will do? We have completed our syllabus. Yes, हमने टर्म 2 तक का पूरा syllabus complete कर लिया है. So now what we are going to do? Think everyone. Yes, we are going to do the revision. Yes, हम टर्म 1 से सारे चैप्टर्स का रिवीजन करने वाले हैं. राइट? आप सबने रिवीजन शीट ले ली होगी आनंद स्टेशनरी से. आई होप दैट आप सबने रिवीजन शीट ले ली है टर्म 1 एंड टर्म 2 की. बोथ द रिवीजन शीट आर डिफरेंट. यस, मैंने अलग अलग रिवीजन शीट बनाई है. टर्म 1 की भी डिफरेंट है एंड टर्म 2 की भी डिफरेंट है. यस, आई होप कि आप सबने रिवीजन शीट ले ली है. राइट? सो नाउ डियर किड्स, वी हैव कंप्लीटेड अवर सिलेबस. आपकी नोटबुक्स, टेक्स्ट बुक्स, पेपर्स, वर्कशीट्स, ये सारी चीजें भी चेक हो गई. यस. So now you have to focus on the revision. Right? आप अब सब जन फोकस किस पे करोगे? रिवीजन में. राइट? अच्छे से आपको सारे चैप्टर्स का रिवीजन करना है so that टर्म 2 के पेपर में आपको कोई भी डिफिकल्टीज ना हो. यस? एंड आई नो दैट आप सब ये अच्छे से रिवीजन करने वाले हैं. वो भी सिर्फ साइंस में नहीं, सारे सब्जेक्ट्स में. राइट? सारे सब्जेक्ट में आपको अच्छे से रिवीजन करना है. सो अगर आपके कोई भी चैप्टर्स मिस हो गए हैं या कुछ पार्ट समझ में नहीं आया हो, सो आप ये टाइम पीरियड में रिवीजन पार्ट में आप वो कवर कर लेना. ओके? सो फ्रॉम टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट रिवीजन ऑफ टर्म 1 chapters. Right, we will start with chapter number 1. Yes, so you all are ready, dear kids? Good. So what first thing we are going to do? Yes, we are going to pray. Yes, so everyone join your hands, close your eyes.
भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्
वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
So everyone ready? Take out your revision sheet of term 1. Chapter number 1, eating habits of animals. So now dear kids, chalo now recall everything what we have learned in this chapter, eating habits of animals. हमने क्या लर्न किया है ये चैप्टर में? Yes, we learn about the eating habits of different animals. Right? Then what type of food they eat? Yes, वो कौन से टाइप का फूड खाते हैं? Right? And what do we call them? Some are herbivorous, some are carnivorous, some are omnivorous. Yes, and some animals are scavengers, and they all have their different eating habits. Right? क्या सब animals की eating habits same है? No, animals, they have different eating habits, right? And also we have learned about the different types of teeth they have, right? Yes or no, dear kids? We have learned about their teeth, and also they have some special feeding. Some animals are having special feeding habits. Yes, suppose like in herbivorous, which animals have special feeding habits? Yes, cow, elephant. Yes, they chew their food. Yes or no? So this type of animals, they have special feeding habits. Then in carnivorous में किसके पास होती है स्पेशल फीडिंग हैबिट्स? Yes, you are right. Frog. Yes, frog have sticky tongue and it swallow their whole food. Yes or no? And some special insects also have special feeding habits like mosquitoes, butterflies, moth. They have a long hollow tube which is called proboscis and which is used to suck liquid food. Yes? Then what about squirrel? Yes, squirrel के पास भी चाइजल शेप कटिंग एजेस होते हैं, उसके टीथ भी कैसे होते हैं? एकदम शार्प. Yes, and which help them to gnaw their food. And then we have discussed about food chain, that all animals are dependent on each other. ये सारे एनिमल्स एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड होते हैं. So what is the definition of food chain? A chain that is formed when plants are eaten by animals who in turn are eaten by other animals is called food chain. Yes, आप सबको याद है ये सारी चीजें? Good. And then we have learned about how we should care of domestic animals, right? How we should care of our pet animals. That also we have discussed. Yes, give them proper food. Yes, a place to live. Maintain their cleanliness, hygiene. Regular medical checkup should be done. Yes, these things we have already learned, that we should take care of our pet animals and domestic animals, right? So these are the things we have discussed in this chapter. Yes, so now we will start filling the revision sheet. Yes, so now come on page number 2. Let's start with question number 1. Choose the correct option. Right? MCQs. Number first, which of the following is not a carnivore? इसमें से कौन सा कार्निवर एनिमल नहीं है? Right? So let's see the option. Option A squirrel, option B fox, C tiger and D lion. So dear kids, carnivorous कौन सा नहीं है इसमें से? So carnivorous are the animals those who eat flesh of other animals, right? So इसमें से कौन flesh of other animal नहीं खाता है? Yes, squirrel, right? So first answer is option A. Tick mark it. Second one, which of the following chews curd? इनमें से चीव कौन कर्ड करता है? Yes, herbivores में some special feeding animals like cow, goat, sheep, buffalo. Yes, they have special feeding habits, which is called chewing the cud. What they do? First they eat the grass hurriedly, right? अगर वो लोग हंग्री हैं तो जो भी उनको फूड है वो उनका फूड बहुत ही हरिडली खा लेते हैं, फटाफट खा लेते हैं. एंड देन व्हेन दे हैव टाइम दे टेक दैट फूड फ्रॉम द स्टमक इनटू द माउथ एंड देन दे चीव इट. यस, फिर उसको वो धीरे 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 चीव करते रहते हैं. यस, दैट थिंग इज कॉल्ड चीविंग द कर्ड. Right, so which of the following chieves curd? Some animals' names are given, so we have to find out which is the right answer. Option A, crow, B, hen, C, sheep, and D, squirrel. So, which will write? Yes, option C, sheep is right. So tick mark it. Third one, which of the following chew its food whole? Right, which animal chew food whole? They don't chew, they don't have teeth. Right, उनको chew करने की जरूरत ही नहीं होती है. They just swallow their whole food. So option A, monkey, B, giraffe, C, lion, and D, snake. So which animal chew its whole food? Yes, the answer is snake. So tick mark option D. Done? So now come to question number 2. Write true or false. We have to write true or false, okay? Number first, all animals eat plants. क्या सारे animals plants eat करते हैं? No, some eat flesh. Some eat dead remains of animals. Right, so this statement is false. So we will write here false. Second one, a crow gnaws the grass and keeps chewing it for hours. See, crow gnaws the grass. First thing, crow grass नहीं खाता है, right? Think crow grass खाता है? So यहाँ पे ही statement false है. And then what is the statement? And keeps chewing it for hours. क्या वो फिर चीव करते रहता है? वो एक ऐसा एनिमल नहीं है जो चीविंग द कर्ड में आता हो, राइट? सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ऑल्सो फॉल्स. नंबर थर्ड, a butterfly sucks food with the help of a thin tube attached to its mouth. See, butterfly, mosquito, moth, they have a special feeding habits, right? उनके पास एक special feeding habits है that they have a thin tube which is attached to its mouth and which help them to suck liquid food, right? Because butterflies, mosquitoes क्या करते हैं? Specially butterfly क्या करते हैं? They suck nectar from flowers. Yes, वो नेक्टर लेते हैं फ्लावर में से. So they have a thin tube which is attached to their mouth and which is called proboscis, right? So this statement is true. So we will write here true. Next, number fourth, an elephant has a long neck to reach branches of trees. Elephant has a long neck, really? क्या एलिफेंट के पास लॉन्ग नेक है? नो. So, which animal have long neck? Giraffe, right? So, this statement is false. So, write there false. Everyone completed question number 1 and 2. So, now let's move to question number 3. Circle the odd one. Yes, you have to circle the odd one out. Number first, cow, buffalo, frog, horse. So from this, which is the odd one out? Odd one out कौन सा है इसमें से? See, let's see the eating habits. Cow, buffalo. See, cow eat grass, buffalo also grass. What frogs eat? Insects, right? And about horse, they eat seeds, grass. Yes. So from this, एक frog ही ऐसा है जो insect खाता है, right? So that's why frog is odd one out, right? So circle it. Second one, rat, rabbit, squirrel, and butterfly. So from this, rat, rabbit, and squirrel. These are the animals which have a sharp front teeth. Yes, and chisel shape के teeth होते हैं which help them to bite off the food. Yes, but butterfly जो है, they have a long thin tube which is attached to its mouth. Yes, so that's why butterfly is odd one out. Circle it. Next, butterfly, mosquito, lion, and bee. So think everyone. Butterfly, mosquito, lion, and bee. Yes, from this, butterfly, mosquito, and bee. These three are the insects which suck the liquid food. Yes, they have proboscis, thin tube, right, which is attached to its mouth. They have proboscis. But lion, yes, lion is an animal which eats the flesh of other animals, right? So that's why who is odd one out here? Lion, correct. So tick mark, circle lion. Next, number 4th, lion, tiger, fox, and giraffe. So dear kids, lion, tiger, fox, and giraffe. Think everyone, lion, tiger, and fox. These three animals eat the flesh of other animals, and that's why they are called carnivore. But giraffe, what giraffe do? Yes, giraffe eats grass, and it comes in category of herbivores, right? So that's why who is odd one out here? Giraffe. So circle it. So now done question number 3. Let's move to question number 4. Write one word for the following. You have to write down one word, right? Number first, animals that eat only plants, fruits and vegetables. So ऐसे animals जो सिर्फ plants, fruits and vegetables eat करते हैं, they are called, what they are called? We have to write the one word for it. So उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Herbivorous. So here we will write the spelling of herbivore. So what is, how we are going to write? HRES. Written herbivorous. Now second one, animals that eat plants as well as flesh of other animals. Means ये animals जो है they eat both. Yes. And उसका एक मस्त एग्जाम्पल कौन सा है डियर किड्स? ह्यूमन बीइंग, राइट? बिकॉज ह्यूमन बीइंग एक ऐसा है एनिमल, वी आर ऑल्सो एन एनिमल, राइट? सो ह्यूमन बीइंग भी एक एनिमल है जो दोनों चीजें खाता है. दे ईट प्लांट एज वेल एज द फ्लैश ऑफ अदर एनिमल्स. वी ऑल ईट मीट, राइट? सम ऑफ यू, यस, कोई कोई तो खाते ही है, राइट? सो वी आर इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ ओमनीवरस, राइट? बिकॉज ओमनीवरस क्या है? ऐसे एनिमल्स दोज हु ईट बोथ, right? They eat plants also and flesh of other animals also. So here the answer will be omnivore. So write down omnivorous. Next, number third, a chain that shows how plants are eaten by animals and then animals are eaten by other animals. So एक ऐसी चेन जो ये बताती है कि वी ऑल आर डिपेंडेड ऑन ईच अदर. यस, एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स दे बोथ आर डिपेंडेड ऑन ईच अदर. एंड व्हेन plants are eaten by animals and then animals are eaten by other animals. So that chain is called, what do we call the chain? Yes, it is called food chain, right? So write there food chain. Completed page number 2 everyone, written food chain. So now let's move to next page, question page number 3, question number 5. So question number 5 is logical question answers. See this, I am just going to discuss it. Okay, just मैं discuss करूंगी. Number first, a mosquito does not have teeth. Then how does it bite us? Yes, at night mosquitoes come to our home. Yes, आपको bite भी करते हैं. Yes or no? But they don't have teeth. क्या mosquitoes के पास teeth होता है? No, they don't have teeth. But then also they bite us. So how they bite us? क्यों, कैसे वो हमें bite करते हैं? And then they take our blood. कैसे हमें bite करते हैं? See, as they don't have teeth, but they have some special other feeding habits, right? So उसकी कौन सी स्पेशलिटी है? Yes, they have a long thin tube which is called proboscis. Yes, and that proboscis help them to bite us, right? So what we will write, that mosquitoes have a long thin tube called proboscis which help them to bite us. Yes? Understood? Second one, does a frog need teeth? Why? Why not? क्या frog को teeth चाहिए? No, frog does not need teeth. Why they don't need teeth? Because frog is an animal which swallow their whole food, right? जो भी उनको prey मिले वो क्या करता है? डायरेक्ट उसको swallow करता है, right? So that's why they don't need teeth. They just swallow their food. See, another example is snake. Snake भी एक ऐसा एनिमल है जिसको teeth की जरूरत नहीं है. They just swallow their prey. Yes, they eat fully. Understood question number 5, logical question answers 1 and 2? Good. So now next is question number 6. Solve the riddle. Interesting, right? You have to solve this riddle. Okay? My first letter is in full, but not in cool. My second is in round, but not in found. My second letter, okay dear kids, second letter. My third letter is in long, but not in lung. My fourth is in bang, but not in bend. So this is interesting riddle. You have to find out the correct answer. Yes, आपको ही ये आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है एंड यू ओनली हैव टू राइट द आंसर. सो अगर आपको ये आंसर मिल जाता है, यू कैन मैसेज मी पर्सनली, देन आई विल से yes, it is the right answer, and then you are going to write in your revision sheet. Okay? But आप सबको ये सॉल्व करना है रिडल. ओके? एंड देन यू विल मैसेज मी कि मैम ये आंसर राइट है. सो आई विल से yes or no, and then you are going to write in your revision sheet. Is it fine? Good. Now let's move to question number 7. Let's do it. So here comes an activity. Yes. अब आपको क्या करना है इस एक्टिविटी में? Please understand now. Collect pictures of animals that you see in your neighborhood. Yes, you have to collect some pictures of animals that you see in your neighborhood, in your environment, in your surrounding, right? And their favorite food items. अब उसकी आपको फेवरेट फूड आइटम्स भी लिखनी है. यस, सपोज मैंने अपने नेबरहुड में कैट देखा, राइट? सो अब कैट की फेवरेट फूड आइटम क्या है डियर किड्स? मिल्क. यस, देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, हमने ये दोनों चीजें कर ली एंड देन पेस्ट देम टू शो हु लव्स टू ईट व्हाट. देन यू हैव टू पेस्ट द पिक्चर्स हियर. कोई भी 2 एनिमल्स के आपको फाइंड आउट करने हैं. एनी 2 एनिमल्स. ओके, आई एम राइटिंग ओवर हियर. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट any 2 animals and their favorite food, and then you have to paste it here. Understood this activity, everyone? Good. So now come to next page, page number 4. Everyone is on page number 4. Let's recall. So this chapter we are going to recall it, that what we have learned, right? Here it is eating habits of animals, and here how animal eat. So first we will do this part. Dash plant eating animals. So here we have to write the one word of plant eating animals. See, हमें starting के letters बता दिए हैं. Right, so plant eating animals, they are called herbivorous, right? So here it is written. You have to write the missing letters. Okay? Second is flesh eating animals. So flesh eating animals को क्या कहते हैं हम? Carnivorous, right? So we have to fill this missing letters. Okay? Understood this? Then next is both plant and flesh eating animals. Here we have to write the name of the category which eats both. Plants भी खाते हैं and flesh of other animals भी खाते हैं. So the answer is omnivore. Correct? So like this way you have to write it. And then next is how animals eat. Like one example it is given here, cow and buffalo. So cow and buffalo, what their eating habits? They chew the curd, right? Correct everyone? Agree? Yes, cow and buffalo क्या करते हैं? They chew the curd. Now next is rabbit and rat. Now rabbit and rat, what they do? Yes, they gnaw their food. Gnaw means क्या? थोड़ा सा खाते हैं, bite करते हैं, and then again they eat small pieces. ऐसे खाते हैं, right? Which is called gnaw. Next is lion and tiger. Dash the flesh. T. Right? T हमें start करके दिया है and it's end with R. So dash the flesh. So lion and tiger क्या करते हैं? They tear the flesh and then they eat it, right? Next is snake. Now snake क्या करते हैं? Snake and frog, they swallow their food. So here we have to write the spelling of swallow, SWALLOW. Next, dash suck their food. Now suck their food कौन करता है? कौन अपना फूड सक करता है? So that is insects, right? Insects like butterflies, mosquitoes, moth. Yes. Next is sticky tongue. Now किसके पास sticky tongue है? It start with F. So yes, frog. Understood this activity? This recall? This is a mind map, right? आपको ये mind map है कि सारे eating habits of animals and how they eat, right? Understood everyone? Good. So now come to next page, page number 5. Question is skill assessed, right? So here one picture is given, right? Tree is there, river is there, some plants and grass are there, and deer are there, right? So now you have to identify this picture. Yes, पहले अच्छे से pictures देख लो आप. Now then we have to give the answers. Number first, identify a herbivore in the picture above. You have to identify the herbivores, right? So a picture में दो animals हमें दिख रहे हैं, right? Deer and tiger. Yes. So now from these two animals, which is herbivorous? Yes, of course, deer, right? So the correct answer is deer. Number second, identify a carnivore in the picture above. So now अब आपको carnivore identify करना है. So of course only two pictures are there, deer and tiger. So carnivore is tiger, right? So tick mark tiger. Third one, complete a food chain that could be possible in the picture above. Here we have to complete the food chain, right? A food chain, it start with plants, right? Sun को कहाँ से food chain, sorry, grass को, see, from the sun, grass, and then which other animal will come here? ग्रास को कौन खाता है? डियर. यस. एंड डियर को कौन खाता है? टाइगर, राइट? अब ये पिक्चर में से ही हमको कहा था. सो यहाँ पे सिर्फ दो ही एनिमल्स दिए हैं. सो ग्रास इज eaten by deer and deer is eaten by tiger, right? So this is a food chain of tiger, deer. Yes. So now completed here, we have completed chapter number 1. Today your homework is to complete the logical question answers. Yes, to solve the riddle and then to do that activity. Yes, you have to find out the favorite food of the animals which you see in your surrounding, and then you have to paste the picture in the space provided in question number 7. Understood this much, everyone? Okay, so bye kids, take care everyone, bye bye.